of the 7 things that are able to help us gain more kavanah, and we're able to help us gain more focus and more concentration, is number 1, make Hashem real. Make Hashem real in your life. It's real. Number 2, Hashem is listening. God is listening to everything that you're saying. Number 3 is be patient in your tefillah. Number 4 is being fully in the moment. Stay in the moment. Don't focus on what's going to happen. You're in the moment, 100% in the moment. Number 5, pray from a siddur. Number 6, a person has to pray only to HaKadosh Baruch Hu. And number 7, know the meaning of the words of tefillah. When HaKadosh Baruch Hu is going to give us this power and that ability or opportunity, better yet, that we can connect to HaKadosh Baruch Hu. HaKadosh Baruch Hu will answer all our tefillos, the ones that were answered already, the ones that were set aside, and the different angel is holding on to it until we have that one prayer that is going to be able to break through all the other prayers.